Good morning, everybody. So this morning's job is to take all these acros down because there's 3 there that doesn't need to be used anymore because their block end's been done now. So that's the roofs that are being supported on the new blocking for the window, and then they're going to be passed on to here to support the beam. The beam's going to come down today. The door's got to be taken off. All the beams have got to be supported. Ready for that wall's going to be taken down, that side and that side, because there's not a lot in between here. It's all cracking and falling away. So the builders have got to take all that down before they can build it back up again. Because there's nothing there to support it with. There's wood there that's rotten, so that's got to come down. And on the other side as well, there's wood in there, so it's all got to come down and be built back up again. But they're making a fantastic job so far. Look at how they've done that one. It's looking really nice. So yeah. William's just pondering how to take the door off, aren't you, Will?
Yep.
It's going to be easy.
Show me that on. That follows. If I take that bit off on each one, then the door will just drop.
So you don't think if you just take that off there
No.
and then slide it?
No, because that's going to help us. Where it drops, it's going to stop it from.
Oh, okay.
I don't think that's going to be good.
How's it going then, Will?
It's alright. Just getting some cuts.
Show me your hand. Oh.
And that's why we need to wear PPE, which are in my coat pockets.
Because what was you doing to get that cut?
I was just opening that door up, but I thought I could push it and then let it drop. But I forgot there was a stop to it. So I pushed it pretty hard and it just sliced into my hand.
So today's job?
So yeah, I've been up there, got all the acros down so I can acro all this up. Because I'm taking this door down and then I'm taking that beam out and all the stone above it. So that stonemason can start next week on it again. And hopefully, stonemason should be done next week.
Okay.
Hopefully. So no, it's going on pretty well. I'll probably get my boss in to come end of next week to get the measurements for the windows and talk about this big window, what we can do, how can we do it. Yeah.
Cool, yeah. It's cracking on really well, isn't it?
Yeah.
They've got the stone lintel in, haven't they? The granite lintel in
We've got
above
one
that
granite
door.
lintel in, which is nice.
It looks like it's been there forever, doesn't it, that?
Yeah.
It looks really nice.
I think with the dust and all that, the stone looks a bit white.
Yeah.
But once it's going to rain, or even if I clean it all up, I think it'll come out pretty nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy with that, and I can't wait to see that one in, and then that one, with all three of them together.
Already the back, it's looking really open. It's looking like a house, isn't it? That kitchen, that kitchen
window, just open that wide and seeing the kitchen window, the patio window. It looks nice. Yeah, so it's coming on pretty good.
Slowly catch a monkey, as they say.
Yep. Hopefully next week it should be nice. It's giving out 27, 28 degrees, I think.
Yeah, really nice next week.
Hopefully we can dig the trenches out, get concrete in there, and after next weekend they can start building garage up.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's going to be fun.
Put it down a minute. Cheeky, cheeky.
on that block, then round.